Where is the fuse box located in the 2023 Nissan Kicks? How can you identify each fuse and understand its function? In this guide, we will explore the fuse box diagram, its exact location, and essential troubleshooting tips to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment of the 2023 Nissan Kicks houses essential components like the engine, battery, fuse box, and coolant reservoir. It provides easy access for routine maintenance, including oil checks and fluid refills. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment of the 2023 Nissan Kicks offers a comfortable and ergonomic interior with intuitive controls. It includes the fuse box, climate control system, and infotainment features for convenience. Passenger compartment with electronic parking brake.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.